Why you can see who viewed your TikTok profile. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly why you can see who viewed your TikTok profile, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into the TikTok app on my phone, and as you can see I now have the eye icon in here, but about a week ago I didn't have it. So what I did to fix this issue is I clicked right here and then I clicked on settings. After that, you will need to scroll down until you see where it says report a problem. Now when I'm in here, I will click right here to show you what TikTok wrote back to me. As you can see, TikTok wrote back that the feature is only available to select number of users right now. So that is why it's not available for everyone currently. But the interesting thing is that I got profile view history just some days after I reported this issue to TikTok. So I would recommend you to do the same, and hopefully that might actually speed up the process for you. So this is why you can see who viewed your TikTok profile right now. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have a good day.